So tonight's homework should take you less than 10 minutes, okay? So for the first one, we're gonna look at the area of a triangle. Now, I picked this on purpose where you have fractions to deal with because you might very well still see that on the state exam. All right, so let's take a look. Now, area of a triangle, right? Half of base times height, or base times height divided by 2. Now, in this case, I think it's actually more convenient to do base times height divided by 2, okay? If you can't see my terrible, terrible handwriting. All right, base times height, so 6/5 times 4/3. All right, can't cross cancel, that's 2. So 2 times 4 is 8. 8 over 5, right? And then divided by 2. When we divide fractions, what do? Keep, change, flip. So that's 8 over 10. 8 over 10 is 4/5, right? Okay, all right. So let me put that in. Let's see. 4 over 5. I hope I'm right. Yep. Okay, all right. Now let's pick on the next topic. Okay, same thing. All right, let's see. I really gotta pay attention. Sometimes I feel I don't pay enough attention on these because I think I already know what to do. That's not good, so don't be like me. All right. Okay. Let's see. What else? Okay, area. Now, shaded part of the rectangle. So, in other words, we're looking at a trapezoid. All right. So, how do you find the area of a trapezoid? Base 1 plus base 2. I'm going to write the formula out. Times height divided by 2. Okay, so base 1 plus base 2 times height divided by 2. All right, I'm going to go to my trusty calculator. 6 plus 18 is 24 times 13 divided by 2, 156. Okay, square feet. Okay. All right, let's see real quick. Now, what else? Surface area from net. Okay, surface area from square pyramid. Is that even it? From square pyramid. There we go. That's the one I want you guys to do. Now, the reason why I didn't pick something like this, look at this kind of question. Like this, all right, because that's a square, so all the formulas are the same. And even something like this, the formulas are kind of easy because you're just looking at a bunch of rectangles. So the reason why I chose square pyramid is because you actually have two things you got to worry about. You got to worry about the triangle and the square. And that's where I want you guys to practice. Okay, so I'm trying to maximize the practice here. Now, what am I talking about? Surface area. So in other words, kind of like what we spoke about in class before the break, right? This is like a pyramid. Imagine a box that looks like a pyramid being unfolded right in front of you. What's the area of each of these parts? Okay. Now, the good news is if we get one of these triangles, we got the other three. So let's start with that. All right. Let's see. All right. So let's see. Area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. So now this is 4.8, right? So that's base times the height divided by 2. Yep. All right, let's see. 4.8 times 5.9 divided by 2. That's 14.16. Now, did I write 14? I'm pretty sure I wrote 16. All right. Maybe my subconscious wrote 14. Now, how many of these are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4 of these. Now, what would that be? 14.16 times 4 is 56.64. Okay, so far so good. Now I got to figure out the square, which is a 4.8 by 4.8. So 4.8 times 4.8 is 23.04. Add those up. Plus 56.64, right? What's that? 79.68. All right. 79.68. Yes, I hope I'm right. I am right. Nice. All right. What else? I think that's it. Okay. All right. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a good night. See you tomorrow. Okay. All right. Bye now.
OMG, that was so good.